Now we will discuss about the increase in demand and increase in supply in both the cases. Supply is also increasing, demand is also increasing. Say demand is increasing by 4x, 4 times, and supply is increasing by 2x. Initial supply is Sx1, initial demand is Sx2. Initial supply, when the price is 5, then the supply is 50, when the price is 4, then the supply is 40, when the price is 30, 2, 20, 1, 10. Demand as usual, 10, as the price is high, the demand is low, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I am increasing the demand by how much? 4 times. So initial demand is how much? 10. So into 4, 40. Initial demand is 20 into 4. In this way I have got this one. And supply is increased by 2x. So initial supply is 50. So 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. Now when there is an equilibrium 30-30, compare with Sx1, this dx1. Initial equilibrium is happening when the price is 3 and the quantity demanded is 30 and 30. Now as I have changed the value of Sx2 and dx2, now it is happening equilibrium where? When the price is 4. When the price is 4, the supply is Sx2 is 80 and demand is also dx2 is also 80. So when the price has increased, here the price has increased. Why? Because the demand has increased from 60 to 80. If I take the price 3, Sx2 was how much? 60. And when the price is 3, dx2 was how much? 120. So if I compare with price 3 to 4, the Sx2 is 60, now it is 80. So it has increased. Whereas for the dx2, initially is 120, then it has changed to 80. It has decreased. So we can say contraction of demand, and here it is an increase from 60 to 80, expansion of demand. Now how should we get whether it is an excess demand or excess supply? If I take price 3, what was the Sx2? 60 and dx2? 120. So here Sx is 60 and Sx2 is 120. Who is excess? Demand is excess. So we can say it is a situation of excess demand. Now if there is an excess demand, so there will be an expansion of supply, 60 to 80, expansion of supply, and there will be contraction of demand, from it is reducing from 120 to 80. Why? Because the price is increasing. When the supply increases, price increases. When the supply increases, price increases. Now if we go to the graph, F is your initial equilibrium. This point is your initial point. Now when we have increased the value, the equilibrium is in H. Now if we compare it with the Sx2, this is the Sx2, this is the Sx2, this is the point of Sx2, and this is the point of dx2. So F and G is your excess demand. Here graphically we have represented 60 and 120 is your excess demand. So here F to G is your excess demand. If there is an excess demand, so there is a contraction of your demand. Contraction of your demand is happening from G to H. G to H. And there is an expansion of supply from F to H. Expansion of supply because this is a supply line, Sx2, and contraction of demand because G to H is on the dx2. F to H is in Sx2. G to H is in dx2. contraction, expansion. Yeah. And we have talked about the excess demand is F2G. So if, obviously, logically, if demand is increasing by 4 times, it is bound to happen excess demand. If supply is increasing by 4 times and demand is increasing by 2 times,
Excess
obviously
supply.
there will be an excess
Supply.
supply. It can be shown in the way of schedule also.